Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing of the final Beyblade I needed for this collection. Final horoscope Beyblade. So yeah, here's the parts. Brand new in box. So actually all of these bays right here, besides one. Yeah, only this one, I think. And I have another one, this one, but yeah. This is one, but I'm using this one, but besides that, these are all were in mint in box. So I have a little, actually besides this one too. These are the only ones that I had mint in box, and this will be added to that collection and to that I got loose. So yeah, besides that, let's get into the final horoscope Beyblade I needed. So yeah, join me in this wonderful occasion. Let's go. Okay, there we go. Oh, I'm not gonna do that. Let's do this. I do have a lot of boxes too. Did that not open? Oh. Yeah, it did. Yeah. Never cut towards yourself, guys. Oh. Look at that. Boom. Boom, wow. That's pretty cool. But look how hollow that guy is. But besides that, baseball to the collection. Oh god. Let's get the parts right here and get the stickers out, and it's time to bend it, okay? Oh no, wait. No stickers, okay. No stickers at all. So yeah, let me use the tool. Oh god. Finally, this collection is done. Since I was looking for this guy for a long time. I ordered this on the 6th, January 6th. And today, February 1st, it finally came. There's a delay yesterday. The seller emailed me, messaged me, and said it was running late, and it showed up the next day. So yeah, should have been here on the 29th, but it came here today. I'm not mad at all. I'm just happy I got it. I'm glad I didn't have to wait any longer for this collection. And I can finally finish that video, finish the saga. And this is going to be the placeholder because there's only 15. But yeah. Boom. This collection is done. I'm extremely happy about this. And I'm going to be completing the whole Metal Fight collection. So yeah. That's my goal. Now. Boom. So yeah, hope guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And stay tuned for more videos like this. And little sneak peeks of some other videos that you'll be seeing soon. Goodbye now, and have a good day.